The tide is high, so high, so high, it's high. The tide is high when I see a pretty face. Addicted to feeling love, 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 love. The tide is high and I like to chase. Get on a boat, don't hide. The tide is high, so high. The tide is high, so high, it's high.
I am getting ready to go on a little trip. I'm gonna go to Jersey and New York for like 3 days, and I'm excited. I get to be around like some of my closest friends, and yeah, the first day I'm gonna go to Jersey, spend time with Izza and her family, and then the next day we're gonna go into the city and we're gonna see my other really close friend Shirley, and then the following day we are going to go to upstate New York to do some like hiking and go visit Peekamoose Blue Hole, which Izza told me about, and it's like a natural spring. So it should be fun. A little bit of city action, a little bit of nature action, and then a little bit of love. Yeah. Okay, cool. So yeah, stay tuned. Bye. I haven't been to New York in a minute, and honestly, I have always loved this city. From the very first time I came as a little girl, it's had a special place in my heart. It's a lot like LA in the sense that it makes the impossible feel just one decision away. There really is no other place like it. But as much as I love New York, the highlight of this trip was definitely spending time with my friends. Some of you might remember Izza from a few videos back, but let me introduce you to Shirley. I've known Shirley for over 10 years. She's one of those friends you know you can always count on. And that says a lot, considering she runs her own bakery in Huntington Beach. Shout out to Sugar Shack. I've watched her build that business from the ground up, blood, sweat, tears, and then some. But no matter how hectic life gets, she always makes time for the people she loves. She and Izza both have hearts of gold, and I am forever grateful for their friendships. We ended the day in Dumbo watching the sunset, and for a moment I seriously considered moving here. I mean, come on, I could easily get used to this. Essential to the diet.
Yes. it's basically as good as like vegetable stuff.
Exactly.
My friend really knows how to park.
The next morning, Izza and I took a 3-hour drive upstate, and what started as a casual road trip quickly turned into something straight out of a movie. It's funny how getting older helps you appreciate the simpler things. I never thought I'd get so excited about nature. But being surrounded by it, you're reminded just how much beauty there is in simplicity.
Conquer your fear! You can do it! It's gonna be fast!
We even got in the water. It was freezing, and I couldn't feel my feet for a very long time. But it was so worth it. I'm just so thankful for the experience. Life really is all about perspective. And even when things aren't in the ideal circumstance, the chance to experience something unique adds so much color and dimension to your own life. It reminds me of that quote by Oliver Wendell Holmes: "A mind that is stretched by a new experience can never go back to its old dimensions." Before we headed back, we stopped by the cutest little spot called Alba's Kitchen, and wow, the food was delicious, but that service was so exceptional. Everyone was so warm and welcoming, and they treated us like family. 10 out of 10, would highly recommend. It was such a magical day, such a magical trip. Thank you all for watching. I am forever grateful for you. And as a reminder, please make the most out of this one life we are given. Until next time, friends.